Hi everyone, in this video I'll talk to you about the different kinds of agents which exist around us. To start with, we have level 0 agents. Level 0 is nothing but the usage of the LLM itself. The LLM is trained on a vast array of knowledge. So at level 0, we basically rely only on the LLM to give us an answer based on its knowledge but not any real-time information. Then coming to the level 1 agent, that is when the LLM is actually connected to a tool. A tool could be an API or web search or some custom function, which allows it to use its knowledge and then the tool to interact with the outside environment and give us an answer. Then coming to the level 2 agent. Level 2 agent is an agent which can, think, reason, and act. So basically, if you ask an agent a question like, can you suggest good coffee shops between Bangalore and Mysore, uh, and they should be really good rated. Then the agent really takes time to think that, okay, I need to access the Google Maps for this information, and then I need to find uh, good coffee shops, which means that they must have a rating above 4. So, the agent goes through this loop of thinking, observing, then acting. So, this is level 2 agent. Coming to level 3 agents, these agentic structures are actually more complicated than what we just spoke about. Here we move from a single agent to a more orchestrated system. It's like being an office, like where you have your manager and the manager knows who to delegate what kind of tasks. So in this kind of an architecture, there is a main orchestrator agent, and it actually thinks about your requests and then analyzes who to delegate it to. And then the sub agent does its task and again passes on to its orchestrator or manager agent. Coming to the level 4 agent, these are very evolved agentic systems. In these kind of architectures, an agent is actually able to make its own tool or maybe make its own sub-agent. To be honest, I haven't seen a lot of level 4 agents yet in practice, but till level 3, yes, I have seen them. But the world is evolving fast. You never know when we will actually have level 4 agents around us. So that's it for today. Thank you and see you in my next video.